This is for quiz 7-3A, problem 10A. It's the opposite of x squared plus 2x minus 1. And I'm telling you that x equals -1. So we replace the x's with parentheses. We then put -1 in the parentheses. I'll circle the terms. And then I solve each term. So -1 squared is -1 times -1, or 1. 2 times -1 is -2, and that's 1. And then we throw our signs in. So we subtract here, we have a plus sign here, and the key is this is the opposite of whatever the term equals. And the opposite of 1 is -1. And now we just add or subtract left to right. -1 plus -2 is -3. -1 would give us -4 for that answer.